just a ticket today. It's not like it's you need to respond to this kind of this report address right here, phone number right here, and a website right here if you have any questions. On this side, there's 4 options to take care of the citation. Choose which option you want to take care of it with. Complete the bottom in its entirety, and make sure you get it back to them within 15 minutes. You understand that? Okay. Do you have any questions for me? I told you last time you need to get help. I can't have you driving around town crying. I didn't do anything to you. You did this to yourself.
You think I hang out with
Who?
Justin,
I don't know who you're talking about. The guy you were hanging out with last night?
Central 510, could you confirm that the vehicle tap expired May 24th?
That's affirmative, showing 531.24 on a Chevy Cruze.
Well, I can
Okay.
assure you he's the least of my concerns. But my concerns are you guys are slinging dope.
Excuse me, we're slinging it, really?
Slinging it, yes.
Okay, that's what.
Yeah, no, those are concerns. However, when I stopped you, I had no idea who you were. Okay? So, if you think I'm just following you around, I was merely in Walmart enjoying my dinner.
I don't think you're following me around. Somebody said.
Well, I'm not harassing you because of Justin, whoever. So, okay? But I'm harassing you because you're stuck. You have to stop. I want you to get home. Okay? Have you tried treatment? Do you want treatment? What's happening? Well, well, we'll let you get going.
I said we're not going yet. We're sitting here.
Okay, well, you don't want to talk to me, so I'll leave you alone. How about you use You're high.
Really?
Yes. I know when to recognize when people are under the influence of drugs, Molly. This isn't my first day doing this job.
Yeah, I know. I've heard a lot about you since I pulled you over.
I pulled you over once. Am I wrong? And you were DUI that day.
Actually, you pulled me over. I started crashing right now.
Don't remember. What's that?
It's on airport road.
I highly doubt that was me. I never worked on airport road. So there's a chance. I'm not saying
You were not happy.
What's that?
You were not happy.
You're not happy about it?
You were not happy.
About being on airport road? Why? I don't know that was me. Maybe it was.
I don't know.
But literally, I haven't been harassing him. Stopped me one time in my life. I just want you to know. That's why you obviously know, and that's what I do. Okay? Because I'm asking people for help. But now you want to.
Dear cops, football coach, and everything else.
What's that?
He could sit over and was like,
No.
30 years.
Okay. So how do you get into drug stuff?
Why do you?
It's not, I think. I
I'm
know.
not.
What do you think your blood said from last time?
Everything I said was that.
So it's just for property.
Okay, your apologies, right?
Is this okay? You need to get going. Is this her property?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to get going? I'll get her phone and shit.
He said he'd drop it off when he was done with it because I don't know what they were doing. They were still in the middle of a conversation.
I think he's trying to get consent from them, but it's a little
Okay.
bit past that, I think. So.
I can wait if I need to.
Yeah, it's
It's
fine.
not that
We'll
big
get
a
it to
deal.
you.
Okay.
Thank you for doing this.
Yeah. Hey, Molly, is it okay if he drops it off when he's done talking to him?
I just want to figure out what to do, please.
Okay, well, either way, you can't talk to him. So I can either wait here for him to be done with the call and hang up, and then I put your phone in property, or we can go back to the station and get started on what we need to get done, and he can bring it to us. But either way, I can't let you talk to him. It's up to you.
Let me go see what he's
Okay.
bringing.
So what happens now?
So now we go back to our holding facility, Pullman's holding facility, and I have some paperwork to go through with you. Okay, and you'll be in a holding cell for a little while after I get that, after I go through that with you and get her done.
I don't want any of that. You've never been in trouble, so.
We'll just get it to you. So
Okay.
We'll head to the PD as soon as we're done with the vehicle and everything.
Okay.
And we'll take care of the dog and all that stuff. So
Okay.
okay.
All right, Molly, are you good with him bringing it to us?
Please, play.
You want to what? I can't hear you, Molly.
Don't have any choice, do I?
It's up to you. I can wait here for him to be done on the phone and hang up, or I can go back to the station and he can drop it off. But it's just the longer you're going to be waiting, because either way you're not making phone calls on it. So you just want what? Molly, I can't hear you. Molly, I still can't hear you. There's a lot of plastic in between us. You got to talk loud. Okay, we'll get going then and get started, and they'll bring it to us. Bowman 458 and route to holding. Starting mileage 553.0.
Confirming 553.0.
From
He does not know me. I'm not gonna be
1940.
he does. He is very aware.
here. I'm weird.
Deputy Alcantara told him.
Damn it. So I go that me. Can you please explain to me what's gonna happen to me?
Yeah, so we're going to go back to the Pullman holding facility, and I'm going to go through the DUI paperwork with you. And then once that's complete, I'm going to put you in a holding cell while I finish my end of the paperwork. And have you ever had a DUI before?
It is pending.
Okay.
Pulled me over on my birthday.
Okay, so I don't believe pending counts, but as long as you don't have any history of failing to appear for court, warrants being issued, prior DUIs,
Never been in trouble.
County units, third party report of a domestic 261 Hardy Road, Lamont.
then I will.
My husband in front of me.
Okay. Then if you don't have any history of that I can see when I check your criminal history, then you'll be released within about 6 hours from the holding facility. Okay. And when you're released, it'll be straight from Pullman, so you'll be able to have somebody pick you up if they're available. Okay, you won't be booked into the jail in Colfax unless you have prior DUIs. We don't do that.
I get the Florida mixture.
You what?
fight against Brian next year.
Brian?
Yep, I killed all the girls over in Moscow.
Well, this won't change any of that.
Yeah, well, the line on my record definitely.
I think they would be more concerned about the drug use than the DUI, Molly.
Is it 6 hours?
6 hours. That's just the maximum amount of time we can hold somebody.
467 guy.
So if paperwork goes faster than that, it could be less than 6 hours.
Due to static okay. Can you put me on 5-8 DUI? Show me how to hold it. Having that make it pretty big.
Pullman 438 arriving. Ending mileage 554.6.
Thank you for your time.